Hello, poets. This is a quick video to show you some tips for navigating and browsing in the Poetry Foundation website and the American Academy of Poets website. So when you're in the Poetry Foundation website, a good place to start when you're browsing for a poem is to click on this tab, Poems and Poets. And then you want to go to the Poems Home Poems Home link. And from this page, I think the best place to start is this teeny little link here that's almost easy to overlook. But you can click on Explore Poems. And once you click on that, you'll see that there's a lot of different ways to browse for poems. You can browse by topic, lots of different possible topics that you might choose as a starting point. Maybe you're really interested in poetic forms and you want to maybe look at some haikus or at some villanelles or at a quatrain. You can also browse poems by different schools or periods. So that is a way to narrow your search. And you can also look at poems by region, location in this country or in the world. So those are all great starting points for doing your search for poems at the Poetry Foundation website. Then in the the American Academy of Poets website, you would, from their homepage, click on Find Poems over here toward the right. And from the Find Poems page, again, you can choose a theme. So you click here and you can choose any number of interesting themes for poems. You can choose a form. And here we have some different forms than you saw at the Poetry Foundation website. You can also look at poems for specific occasions if you want to search for a poem that way. Of course, if there's a poet you have been introduced to this quarter or that you knew before this class, you can search for poems according to the author's name, the poet's name. So lots of different ways to search here at the poets.org website. And I forgot to show you at the Poetry Foundation, at the top of the page is a way to search by a specific poem or a poet's name. So lots of good opportunities here to look for poems that you want to share with the class.